So hello, everyone. My name is Greg Kearns. I'm the Chief Scientific Officer of the Children's Mercy Hospital in Kansas City, Missouri, and the Associate Chair of the Department of Pediatrics there. And I also function as the Director of the Pharmacology Core for the Pediatric Trial Network. You know, in my opinion, it's the studies that we've done on metronidazole. And I'll give you the example. So that study started out a very good, concrete study. We wanted information in young neonates and infants about the pharmacokinetics of the drug because it had been understudied in that group. So there was an information gap. So a study was conceived, designed, conducted, the data were interpreted. And we found something that we could predict in a way that we've seen for many other drugs, and that's that the clearance of metronidazole changed significantly in that first few weeks, months of life. So that wasn't the whole answer. When we asked the question, why? No, there was no answer. So then we got together, people in the Clinical Pharmacology Core with the lead investigator here from Duke. And we said, well, what studies could we do to find out? And we've done a series of studies. We characterized for the first time the metabolism of metronidazole in human cells and tissues. We found a surprise that we're getting ready to publish, so I'm not going to publish in advance by saying what it was. But then we looked another step at the differences in the metabolism, the breakdown of that, and we found that there was a switch of two different drug metabolizing enzymes, a switch that occurred that no one had ever discovered before. So for one seemingly straightforward, very good study that we thought we had the answer that we needed, we've now opened up a whole line of not just inquiry, but some answers about an old drug, but a drug that's incredibly useful today. And that's the kind of stuff that we leverage in the Pediatric Trial Network. That's what comes from when you take a group of people whose backgrounds and their training and their expertise might be a little different, and you amalgamate them into this whole big group of clinician scientists capable of asking and then answering the right questions. So that's a great success story.